Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Patagonia red metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, macchiato beige MB Tex interior with a natural grain walnut trim, ambient lighting, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, brand new set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLA has 2,595 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.